Hi guys and welcome back! Today we are making miniature food, which actually is going to be curing charms. So this DIY will be useful and I hope funny for you. And yes, if you wanna watch more videos like this, please be sure to subscribe and let's start. Milka chocolate. Many people like it, including me. We'll make it from cardboard. Cut 5 pieces. Glue them together. I use super glue, but in fact any will do. Here comes the label. The template is under the video. Sticking it to cardboard part. Applying sticky tape on top to protect the paper. Cutting the excess. And the chocolate is ready. Please first make all the sweeties and then decorate a keychain in the end of the video. 1, 2, 3, mini Hubba Bubba. Press a clay ball from 2 sides. Make the surface wavy, for instance, using paper knife or scissors. Apply super glue in the middle and stick the label. And now an important moment. Cover this tasty thing with a thick layer of transparent nail polish or Mod Podge. When it dries out, apply the second layer. And it's done! Looks quite similar and done in just 3 minutes. And now Nutella! I use small glitter box for it, painting it brown from inside. When it dried, I closed the box and painted white. The label. Protect it with a sticky tape and stick it to the box. I like this idea. Nutella box is so small and cute, really nice. Food is done, drinks to go. Fanta and Cola. Form small cans from clay. From one side make it flat and press a line. From another one make a lid, like this. Cut such parts separately and stick it on the top. Apply a good amount of transparent nail polish. Then paint top and bottom using silver paint or nail polish. Glue the label. That's how it looks like in the end. These are all the sweets we made. Using super glue, add rings to them. This is what remains from an old keychain. Attach our charms to it. What a beautiful keychain! It can be used for keys or attached to a backpack or pencil case. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. Have a good mood and yeah, see you soon. Bye!